eating a proper lunch is extremely important. I will show you a nice easy serving that can work as lunch or dinner if you want. It's a super food to eat after training. It consists of fried chicken, baked vegetables and black beans. I'll heat the pan. I'm gonna fry the chicken breast here. Add some oil. Should be nice and warm. In the meantime, I can start cutting my aubergine. I have zucchinis and pepper. I also have some red onion over here. I will need some garlic, which should also be down there somewhere. Cut on my chicken breast. There you go. I fry it with some fresh garlic. So just put a lid on the pan, and then the heat will increase in the pan. It should cook for approximately 15 minutes. That should be sufficient. I'll cut the aubergines. I'll make rather big chunks. Let us check the chicken breast. I'm going to turn it around. Nice and brown. So I'll add some olive oil. Olive oil is a very healthy oil. Mix it nicely. You want to make sure that the vegetables get a nice brown color that actually adds some flavor to it. You don't want to burn them, but they should have a little bit of color. You can cook your own beans. I mean, you soak them for 12 hours, you pour out the water and you cook the beans, but you can also buy them cooked, and I think that's okay actually, that it tastes quite fine, so I don't mind that. But you should definitely rinse them. Hey, they're perfect now. So now I have my ingredients: the grilled chicken, the roasted vegetables and the black beans. Now I just need to finish this bean salad. I will add some olive oil, salt, some balsamico vinegar. Take some fresh basil leaves. So I cut it. You know what? I think I'll use some chive as well. Can we taste it? That's nice. Good. So now I'll cut the chicken. That's it. So you can put it in a lunchbox, like a simple transparent one like this. And the beans and some chicken. That's it. A very nice lunch. It can also work as a dinner serving, whatever you like. If you like this video, there are some more videos here on other healthy recipes, also some videos about training. Don't miss them, and I hope to see you in the next one.